Hey, quick question. Have you been wanting to start an online business but just don't know where to start? Or have you started one in the past but pretty much failed at it? Well, if so, this video is for you, and I'm going to show you my top 5 online businesses to start in 2020 and beyond. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right to it. And before anything, if this is your first time in my channel and you are into entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, or anything that improves people's life, go ahead and hit subscribe and that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And let's go ahead and get to it. So first of all, my name is Michael Dela Cruz, and I started an online business, as an internet entrepreneur because I was looking for something that I can that can allow me time freedom and that I don't have to really spend hours and hours on. Because when you have an online business, you have all of that, right? You have geolocation freedom, meaning that as long as you have an internet connection, you can do it from anywhere in the world. And especially times like these, going on where people have to be quarantined or stay at home, a lot of people are really struggling because they can go to work right now, right? So that's what's crazy about what's going on, in these times. So more and more people though are actually going online looking for ways that they can do something, right? Looking for ways that they can create their own economy. And a lot of people are learning, they're studying, online. So this is where, the future is heading. So this is why it's important that you understand this information because it's going to help you, succeed no matter what's going on, right? Because again, because all this stuff going on, a lot of people are frustrated, which I understand. My heart goes out to people that are being affected by what's going on right now. But on a positive note, uh, a lot of people are spending time at home, right? They're spending time at home, they're going on the internet and they're learning things, they're starting businesses, and that's why I love online business because it's really the way of economy nowadays, right? Especially with everything going on. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. So, what are my top 5 online businesses to start in 2020 and beyond? Well, if you've been wanting to know that, my number one, let me say number one on the list, is affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is the easiest one to start in. And really, affiliate marketing is basically the idea of selling somebody else's product and you getting paid for referring people to their product, right? So we do this all the time for free anyway. So if you go to a movie, you go to a restaurant, or you had a nice experience at somebody's business, you automatically you share that experience with other people. So then those people that you refer to want to go to that place, right? The same thing happens when affiliate marketing, except when you do this for the movie theaters and restaurants, the restaurants or the movie theaters or that place where you went to, they're not paying you for it. So in affiliate marketing, you're getting paid for referring people to products that makes their life better. All right. So affiliate marketing is my number one, and there's some websites I want to share with you that you can go. Let me go ahead and pull that up very quick. You can go and find affiliate products and get started right away. It's easy to start. It's like the quickest one that you can start in, and that's why I love it's my favorite because people can get success in affiliate marketing by simply referring people to other people's products. So my first website here is JVZoo. If you go to jvzoo.com, you can create an account. You can start for free, and you can just pretty much, uh, you know, uh, grab products, become an affiliate of a product, and grab a link and just pretty much refer people to that affiliate product and simply get paid. That's the beauty about affiliate marketing, right? So right here it tells you if you go to jvzoo.com, you scroll down, you keep 100% of the commissions you earn, and they don't play around with the money with the payment. So they get deposited into this account that they provide you with, and from there you get to transfer that to your own bank account. All right, and the beauty is that it's 100% free to use for affiliates. So meaning you don't have to, in this type of business and affiliate marketing, you don't have to have money or a lot of money in order to to earn money with it. So that's the beauty about that. So if you're on a budget or you don't have any capital to start in, this is what I recommend, this website. The second website I recommend is Warrior Plus, right? There's another affiliate network where you can create an account and again find affiliate products that you can promote online and pretty much get paid, right? Get paid. The owners of the products, they're gonna pay you a commission for you making the sale on their behalf, for you referring people to their products. It's like real estate, you know, if you work for a real estate agency, guess what? You sell a house, you know, you sell a house, right, for let's say $500,000, you know, etc. The real estate agent is going to pay you for making the sale, and then you know they get a portion of the sale as well. But it's a big chunk. Okay, so these are the two main. There's other websites out there, but these are the two main ones that I highly recommend. Another one is ClickBank. You can go to ClickBank and pretty much you know, find affiliate products, create an account, find an affiliate product, and refer people to those products and get paid. All right. So that's pretty much what that's pretty much affiliate marketing right there, and it's actually the easiest, and it's one of my it's actually my favorite one, especially if you're starting out for you to start in. Okay. Now, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation at any time on this video, you can go ahead and click the link below, which is my number one recommendation if you want to get started and basically learn more about what I recommend. Because if you want to, let's say, earn like this two website, the amount of commissions you're gonna earn on there, you have to, you know, you're gonna have to make a lot of sales. You have to make a lot of referrals to make a significant amount. But if you're looking to earn, let's say, you know, six figures and up, you know, you're thinking big, and you want to earn those big commissions, $1,000 and up, then check out my number one recommendation below, and we'll give you all the details on how to do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. So that's my number one, is affiliate marketing. Number two on the list is selling digital products. So as I was saying, more and more people are going online, you know, they're selling courses, or they're actually learning from people, right? They're either going to college online, they're consuming information like tutorials on YouTube, especially now that they have to be, you know, on quarantine. So if you have to stay on quarantine, or maybe because somebody, you know, told you to that you have to stay home, or maybe you decide to self-quarantine yourself, this is a good time to go and find, you know, things, find skills that you can learn, so that way you can, you know, create your own economy, right? So selling digital products does this for people. So let's say you have knowledge of something, you're an expert in something, you can actually create a course, and you can sell that online and make, you know, and make income that way, you know, make revenue that way. So that's pretty much that's why it's my second one, because a lot of people are doing this. A good website to go to is teachable.com. All right, teachable.com is a good website to go to, and in there you can actually, you know, sell your expertise, sell your products, you know, your courses, right? Because there's people already doing it, and hundreds and thousands of people from all over the world are now consuming information on stuff that they can learn and apply and make their life better, right? So that's my number two. There's a website you can go to, teachable.com, so you can create courses in there, and you can sell, you know, you can sell them in this website. Another one is called Thinkific. Right, you can see how it's spelled right there, Thinkific. So you can create courses in there too, and also sell them. You know, sell your expertise. Maybe if you don't have a skill, go out, you know, learn a skill, uh, and pretty much, you know, teach. You know, you can teach it, and you can create a course in here, and really get paid that way. People will actually go in there, look up for the course, you know, whatever topic you're teaching, and pay you for, you know, for providing that knowledge. All right. Another website, so that's thinkific.com. Another website is Udemy, or Udemy, however you say that. Udemy.com. Basically, in there you can go in there and learn skills, or you can pretty much teach on Udemy. So if you're an expert on a topic, you can create an online course. And the good thing about Udemy is that they'll help you market your courses. They'll help you market your courses on your behalf, and you know, you get paid that way. On the other ones, I don't think they help you with the marketing part, but Udemy, they will market your courses, and you get paid. One downside I see from Udemy is that some people are saying that a lot of the courses they sell in there, they get discounted. So for example, if you're selling a course for $50 or so, they might drop that course price to like $5 or $10. So, so you get paid less. But other than that, it is a good experience. It's a good way to make some income, is by selling courses on Udemy, or you can go in there and learn a skill set and then you can teach it later on, right? So that's my second one. Selling digital products is actually one of the best way that you can make money. So that's number two. Now let's go to number three. Number three is pretty much becoming a freelancer, right? Becoming a freelancer, and what I mean by that is that you can go to let me go to the website here. It's called Upwork.com. You can go to Upwork, right? You can go to Upwork and you can list what are you an expert on, right? Maybe you're good at writing. Maybe you can write blogs for people, right? Maybe you can, manage people's, social media platforms. Maybe you're good at that, right? So you can go to Upwork and you can have business owners, hire you to do this type of tasks, right? That they, because they want to focus on their time to being productive, and they want to like outsource the things that they can, they don't have time to do. So you go to Upwork.com, you list your expertise in there, and if you don't have an expertise, like you're not good at something, then you can also learn skills from people that that do stuff. Like maybe you want to do ads for companies. You can help other business grow on the internet, but you can list that skill here on Upwork. So you go to Upwork.com and people would actually hire you to to help their business grow. All right. So if becoming a freelancer is pretty good. Okay, so number four on the list is actually starting a YouTube channel, right? As you can see, there's many people making a lot of money on YouTube. I don't know if you've seen it, but YouTube actually pays people that have big channels, and this is how it works. So let me go to this website right here. I found um, YouTube. You can actually make money with YouTube. I'm just gonna scroll up here so you can see. So this is right here from a company called T-Series, right? They make $723,500 from YouTube. That's a revenue per month. So they go from that to $11.6 million per month. Isn't that crazy? Through that YPP program, which is the YouTube Partner Program. And as you can see, it allows the website most successful YouTube channel to monetize their content. So the more views and the more subscribers you get in your channel, at least 1,000, you can actually get paid by YouTube. So starting a YouTube channel, and you can apply like the affiliate marketing, the freelancing. You can actually use YouTube to market those things in there. So that way you're making money from different sources. From your, you can make money from selling your own digital products, or for advertising or promoting your affiliate products on YouTube. And at the same time, as you're getting subscribers and views, you get paid from YouTube itself. Okay, so that was talking about multiple sources of income, and this is what here the criteria for the program is, which actually changed in 2018. It says that it requires your channel to reach 4,000 watch hours and, like I said, 1,000 channel subscribers in the last 12 months. That's the criteria for it. Once you have passed those two milestones, then you can apply to join the program. And it shows you how to do it here, which go to Creator Studio, etc. Right? So YouTube is a good platform to start in. Just create a channel, focus on the topic that you're going to be consistently sharing with people, and basically is going to be really helpful. All right, now the next one, which is my number 5 on the list of a top online business you can start in 2020 and beyond, is actually, and a lot of people get intimidated by this, but you can learn the skill and you can help people grow on the internet. That is the graphic and web design, right? This is actually something that you can learn if you don't know how, and you can actually go to, for example, you can go to Udemy, you can go to Upwork, and you can actually offer the service to businesses. So you can help a small business grow. Somebody needs a website, and you know how to do web design and things like that. You can actually go and help other people and get paid for that. And that could be your online business right there. You can do it virtually. I done that myself, just by knowing, by learning little things like how to create, website with WordPress, right? You can just create WordPress blogs or website for people, and simply starting a theme, like little basic things like that can help a business. So if you know that simple, a simple basic thing, then you're gonna be on demand, because again, a lot of people need help with that, with those type of tasks. A lot of businesses are looking for people right now to help them, set up a nice website. And with today's technology, it's only all of the stuff is mostly, uh, drag and drop pretty much. So learn that. You can go to Udemy, and learn some courses in there. Learn how to set up a web design. You can easily get tutorials on YouTube to learn how to do that. But graphic, let me go back to the presentation here. But graphic and web design is my fifth on the list, and you can really, really make money on the internet like that. Again, all you need is an internet connection and need to know how to do, graphic and web design. And there's millions of courses out there you can take to learn this skill. All right, so those are my top 5 online businesses that you can start in 2020 and beyond. And if you ask me what would I recommend for you to get started in, I would definitely say affiliate marketing, because it's like the easiest one to get started in. All right, so if you want to learn more about how to get started in affiliate marketing and have a profitable online business, go ahead and click the link in the description. It says my #1 recommendation. I also left you a book, an ebook that you can download, which is going to teach you the affiliate domination formula. So check that out. And other than that, thank you for tuning in. And if you like this video, you found value, make sure you let me know in the comments, and also hit like, so that way I know. Okay, so other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.